Affordable kitchen renovation cost. Transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. Are you dreaming of a kitchen makeover, but worried about the costs involved? A budget-friendly kitchen renovation is possible with careful planning and smart decision-making. In this article, we will explore some tips and ideas to help you achieve an affordable kitchen renovation without compromising on style or quality. Set a realistic budget. The first step in any renovation project is to set a budget. Assess your financial situation and determine how much you can comfortably spend on your kitchen renovation. Setting a realistic budget will help you make informed decisions and prioritize your expenses. Plan and research. Before diving into any renovation, take the time to plan and research. Evaluate your kitchen's current layout and identify areas that need improvement. Look for inspiration in magazines, online platforms, and home improvement websites. Gathering ideas and creating a clear plan will help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary expenses. Consider cabinet refacing. One of the most significant expenses in a kitchen renovation is replacing cabinets. Instead of buying new ones, consider cabinet refacing. Refacing involves replacing the cabinet doors and drawer fronts while keeping the existing framework. This approach can give your kitchen a fresh new look at a fraction of the cost of new cabinets. Opt for cost-effective countertop materials. High-end countertops can be expensive. However, there are affordable alternatives that still offer durability and style. Consider materials like laminate, butcher block, or even concrete. These options provide a wide range of design choices and can give your kitchen a modern and updated feel without breaking the bank. Update hardware and fixtures. Swapping out old hardware and fixtures can make a significant difference in your kitchen's appearance. Replace outdated cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and knobs with new, stylish options. Upgrade your faucets, sink, and lighting fixtures to create a cohesive and modern look. These small changes can have a big impact on your kitchen's overall aesthetic. Refresh with paint. Painting is one of the most cost-effective ways to transform any space, including your kitchen. A fresh coat of paint on walls, cabinets, and even appliances can give your kitchen a whole new look. Choose light and neutral colors to make the space feel brighter and more spacious. Don't forget to properly prepare the surfaces and use paint that is suitable for kitchens for long-lasting results. Enhance with lighting. Good lighting can greatly enhance the ambience and functionality of your kitchen. Consider adding under-cabinet lighting to illuminate your workspace and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Install energy-efficient LED bulbs to save on electricity costs in the long run. Lighting upgrades are relatively affordable and can make a significant difference in your kitchen's overall appeal. DIY and repurpose. To save money, take on some do-it-yourself (DIY) projects and repurpose existing items. Repaint or refinish old furniture or cabinets instead of replacing them. Consider using reclaimed materials for a unique and eco-friendly touch. DIY projects not only save money, but also add a personal touch to your kitchen renovation. Hire professionals for key tasks. While you may be able to handle some aspects of the renovation, certain tasks require professional expertise. Plumbing, electrical work, and structural changes should be left to experienced professionals. Hiring experts for these key tasks ensures that the work is done safely and up to code, avoiding costly mistakes in the long run. Shop smart for materials and appliances. Don't overlook the power of smart shopping when it comes to materials and appliances. Look for sales, discounts, and clearance items to get the best deals. Consider shopping at outlet stores, checking online marketplaces, or visiting local salvage yards for affordable yet high-quality materials. Compare prices and read reviews before making any purchase. Affordable kitchen renovation cost. Transform your kitchen without breaking the bank. By following these tips, you can achieve an affordable kitchen renovation without compromising on quality or style. Remember to plan ahead, research cost-effective alternatives, and consider DIY projects where appropriate. With careful budgeting and smart decision-making, you can transform your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space without breaking the bank. Contact us for more information. Now finding the best kitchen joinery near me. A comprehensive guide. When it comes to renovating or remodeling your kitchen, finding a reliable and skilled kitchen joinery service near you is crucial. High-quality kitchen joinery can transform your space, providing functional and aesthetically pleasing cabinets, countertops, and storage solutions. In this article, we will explore the key factors to consider when searching for the best kitchen joinery near you and provide valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. 1. Research local kitchen joinery companies. Start by conducting thorough research on local kitchen joinery companies in your area. Utilize search engines and online directories to find a list of reputable providers. Look for companies with positive customer reviews, a strong portfolio showcasing their previous work, and a solid reputation in the industry. 2. Evaluate experience and expertise. When choosing a kitchen joinery service, experience matters. Look for companies that have been in the business for several years and have a proven track record of delivering high-quality results. Experienced joiners possess extensive knowledge of various materials, design trends, and installation techniques, ensuring your kitchen is crafted with precision and expertise. 3. Check for certifications and licenses. Ensure that the kitchen joinery company you select holds the necessary certifications and licenses required by local authorities. These accreditations are a testament to their professionalism and adherence to industry standards. Working with a licensed company provides peace of mind, knowing that your project is in capable hands. 4. Request a portfolio and references. Ask the kitchen joinery companies you are considering to provide a portfolio of their past projects. This will give you a visual representation of their craftsmanship and design capabilities. Additionally, request references from their previous clients. Contacting these references allows you to gain insights into their overall satisfaction, communication, and timeliness. 5. Consider customization and design services. Each kitchen is unique, and customization plays a vital role in achieving your desired outcome. Look for a joinery service that offers customization options to tailor-fit your kitchen according to your specific needs and preferences. A skilled joiner will work closely with you, providing design guidance and creating a personalized space that reflects your style. 6. Quality materials and workmanship. The durability and longevity of your kitchen joinery depend on the quality of materials used and the skill of the joiner. Inquire about the materials they utilize and ensure they source them from reputable suppliers. Quality craftsmanship ensures that your kitchen joinery is built to last, even in the face of daily wear and tear. 7. Request quotes and compare prices. Obtain detailed quotes from multiple kitchen joinery companies. Compare the prices, taking into account the scope of work, materials, and any additional services offered. However, keep in mind that the cheapest option may not always guarantee the best results. Strive to find a balance between affordability and quality. 8. Excellent customer service. Choose a kitchen joinery company that values excellent customer service. Clear and prompt communication, transparency, and a customer-centric approach are vital. A reliable company will listen to your requirements, provide professional advice, and keep you informed throughout the entire process.